going to discuss about the select and use ICT tools for teaching and learning.
Before anything else, let's define ICT. So what is ICT? ICT, or Information, Communication and Technology, refers to various tools and devices or gadgets used in communicating, disseminating, creating, storing, and managing information. In simpler terms, ICT is the umbrella term for all technology that helps people do more things faster and in a better way. Some of the most common examples of ICT includes computers, telephones, fax machines, digital cameras, and smartphones. Why ICT integration in education? First, it allows creativity. Technology can help students in all sorts of ways to think more creatively and come up with new ideas. Second, it allows effective collaboration. Using technology, students can collaborate on projects with their classmates and teachers, no matter where they are located. Third, easy processing of information. Using technology, students can easily organize and process large quantities of information from a variety of sources quickly and accurately. Fourth, it allows easy showing of resources. Using technology, teachers can easily show students online resources such as videos or audio files, websites, and other documents that can enhance the learning experience. And lastly, effective accessibility. Using technology, teachers and students can easily communicate with each other from anywhere at any time. They can engage in virtual discussions and share materials regardless of where they are located or what equipment they have access to. Now let's proceed about using mobile phones and QR code. What is QR code? QR code is a type of barcode that can be read by smartphones and other mobile devices. QR code was developed by Japanese corporation Wave in year 1994. QR stand for quick response, and the codes contain information that allows a device to connect to the information encoded in them. Because of that, it allows the reader to decode information at a high rate of speed. QR code usually gives a URL linking you to a website or immediately provides salient information about the product. In the recent years, companies have started creating QR codes for their products to direct customers to the company's official websites to learn more information about their products. Now, how to make QR code? First, you need to be online so that you can access a free online app that will help you create QR codes. Second, search for a QR code generator and ensure that you read the information about the application. I recommend using www.qrcodegenerator.net because it provides a lot of information about how to use the application to generate QR codes. Third step, once you have identified or download your free online QR codes generator, you can now encode the text or the information that you want. Fourth step, run it and save it as a JPEG file. Now, you have successfully created your own code which you can download. And the last step is to test the QR code using QR code reader or scanner.
So in continuation, here are 10 interesting ways to integrate QR codes in your teaching. First, create interactive and engaging content. It means simply using QR code, you can make your class more interactive and more interesting. Second, share resources. You can easily share files you wish to share to the class. Third, using in classroom activities. Like for example, you want your student to read story. They can simply take the device, scan the code, and listen to the story being read aloud to them. This is a great way for students to get some more reading time without an adult reading to them. Fourth, provide help with homework. Codes can provide links to information across a range of educational topics or resources teachers have created for their students. Fifth, communicate with parents or partners. We can increase family engagement using QR code. The parents will get involved or to know information you want to inform them, or maybe a video you want them to watch with their children to get ready for an upcoming literature study. So means it's more on collaboration with parents how to help children to succeed academically. 6. Scavenger hunts. It is a kind of game like treasure hunting. Participants are given clues on where to find the QR code. 7. Enhanced Classroom Library. QR code can take any classroom library a whole new level. By creating QR codes that link to more information about the book, a video trailer, or even personalized recommendation video created by the teacher. 8. Gather students' feedback. You can create QR code survey to collect feedback from students. It will allow users to scan a unique code with their smartphone to gain access to a survey. 9. Research project. Students can easily access links, text, and much more for their research. 10. Provide easy access to online content. So it is clear it access to any online content. So that is the 10 interesting ways to integrate QR codes in your teaching. So the other tool that we can use is using laptop and infographics. We all know what laptop is, and we all know that it is useful especially for us students. So now, let's talk about infographics. Infographics is a visual representation or an image such as diagram, chart, picture representing information or data. It is eye-catching and use of a clear layout. So here are some examples. One tool that can be used in creating infographics is using Canva. So the next presenter will further explain the other use of infographics.
Let's talk about the benefits of using infographics. Number 1 is to present survey data. Presenting statistical data such as from surveys can be overwhelming. Infographics can be highly useful. Build infographics around data. Focus on the message. Decide on how you will organize the information. Outline the structure of the infographics. Write out the main message. Decide which data are important. Sketch out the infographic. Focus on telling a story with infographic. The second one, to simplify a complex concept. Simplifying a complex idea is the core purpose of using an infographic. This is a very effective educational tool as a way of summarizing key points or providing an overview of a lesson. Example, an infographic is a visual representation of information, data, or knowledge and is created to make the complex easier to understand. An infographic is very effective because it's a visual element. Since 50% of the human brain is devoted to visual function, images and proceed faster than text. So, representing a complicated process in an infographic is easier and quicker to understand. The third one is to explain how something functions. Using infographics, you can show the intricacy of how something complex works. It can reveal the mechanics behind how an object works, and it shows the process of the app and how it works behind all of it, how you edit your own work, what you touch, and what's the right thing to use. Fourth is to compare. Presenting information by highlighting similarities and differences through a visual parallel in an infographic can turn out more effective than sometimes expressing it in words. Using infographics, it shows the difference between then and now, and how the app improved and evolved throughout the years. Especially when you edit in infographics, shows how the details improve. The fifth one is to present interesting facts. When information or facts are presented in all words, the use of the infographics can bring life. If there is a written text, the information may not stand out compared to when it presented in this format. Information written in snippets can become understandable and more appealing to the eye. The steps in making your own infographics. Step 1. You need to be online. Step 2. Search for Canva, Visman, or Venngage, among others. Step 3. Create or sign up an account if you still do not have one in order to design your own infographics. Step 4. Procedure. Number 1. Choose the most suitable template for your own or use from the library. Number 2. You may use images from your file or upload your own picture. Number 3. Makes a cohesive layout containing correct and essential information. Number 4. You can choose a background and font style. Number 5. You may choose color boxes and the text to suit your style and add styling filters to add flair. Number 6. Save the image of infographics. Number 7. Share the infographic you have created. Let's proceed to Padlet. Padlet is an educational technology startup company based on San Francisco, California, and Singapore. Padlet provides a cloud-based software as a service, hosting a real-life collaborative web platform in which users can upload, organize, and share content to virtual bulletin boards called Padlets. Steps on how to make online bulletin board. Step 1. Search for http.padlet.com. Step 2. Sign up or log in using any of your social media accounts. Step 3. If you want to make your own, click Make a Padlet. Step 4. If you want to join someone's bulletin board, click Join a Padlet.